So here are the two grounds, and there are wires in that side of the connector. So I guess let's wire the radio grounds to these two grounds and see if that works. All right, guys. Guess we're just gonna hope for the best here, and hopefully nothing lights on fire. So that's hooked in. Let's get the radio hooked in. Oh, hang on, I forgot to, gotta hook this guy up. That one's for the wheel control, so this one has to go in there. Something lit up inside there. All right, and our good old China radio here, we'll get her clipped in. All right, maybe I shouldn't hold on to it. Oh, something's happening. I think it's upside down. All right, so it turns on. That's positive. We had to switch things up a little bit. This whole China nonsense is whatever, but we figured it out. We had the pink hooked up to the, what was it, the red with the white, right? So that wasn't correct. We had to put it with the orange. So this says like parking brake or something, but it's not. It's something other. I think it's for the vehicle speed sensor. We'll figure all that out later when we go to do that. So we had to switch those. Then, what was it, this guy, the orange and white went to orange or something. Yeah, so that went to that. So we took that apart, put that to the green, and now she works. So now I can continue on with the install. There you go. See, so it's coming out of the speakers now. So let me clean up this wiring a little bit, and we're gonna keep on moving here. We got antenna adapter. Bam. So let's see if we can get that hooked in. And we'll get that hooked into the back of the radio. That seems pretty cheap. And then we need this guy, which is the bezel install kit deal. Make sure that this actually fits in here. Close enough. Make that work. And then we got some bracketry, so we can put it in where the factory radio went. There's some instructions. So let me this is gonna take a bit. Let me get this all mocked up. Oh yeah, here's the other, there's the other wire we cut. Orange, which I think we talked about. Yeah, orange to orange white, so we already talked about that. Let me get this factory stuff hooked up here, and we'll be back. All right, so we're having a little bit of a fitment issue, only because of like this knob here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna try to slot this out a little bit, and so I can move the whole radio over a little. Now we got some more power. Oh yeah, that's what I'm talking about. All right, now let's give this a test whirl. Careful. Just kind of shove all them wires back there, you know what I mean? Be all right. I lost my driver unit. Alright guys, so the fit and finish isn't exactly as good as I'd like it to be, but I can adjust all that. That's all me. It might have fit a little bit better if the knobs and buttons weren't here. I should have thought about that a little bit better, but I can adjust some of this to make it a lot better. That's just something you can do on your end. You could just notch this out a little bit or do whatever. So let's go ahead and make sure this unit works. Oh snap. How you turn it on? Oh snap. So that's not what I wanted. So what? Oh snap. You see that?
Will you just drag it?
Yeah.
The symptoms, but could never figure it out. No matter what I did, they never went away.
Are your
so
speakers
I
working?
decided to break it down for my doctor and get really specific about my symptoms.
The speakers behind you, are they working? All right, guys, so that's going to be it for this radio install. Like I said, that is all how much time you want to spend with it to get it to work the way you want it to work. So that's going to be it for today, guys. If you like this video, please hit that like button, subscribe to the channel for more action, and we'll catch you on the next one. Thanks for watching.